This is Eric Mother with Mother.com. It is February 20th, 2019. Let's take a look at the airline index and see what it is trying to tell us. All right, so we're going to be taking a look at the two-year weekly chart, so we can be on the same page. Two-year weekly. All right, so allow me to draw a couple of lines. The first line is going to connect this weekly closing high, this weekly closing high. Let's connect those 2 points. What it actually gives us is last week's weekly closing high. Now let's go to the RSI. Allow me to draw a couple of lines. Line number 1, line number 2, connecting this top here and this top. Line number 3 is going to be based on this breakpoint right here, which gave us this movement. Of course, we haven't been back to that price level, so we know that that was a critical break. We take this RSI breakpoint and draw our uniformity line. I'll draw it something like that. Now, let me stop right there. What would be the conclusion? What would be your conclusion given the lines that we are drawing in price and as far as the RSI is concerned? Well, I believe we can all agree that as long as the price is showing resistance here, then that tells us that the next meaningful direction is going to be down. And we can also see that if these 3 lines, where we are seeing a convergence of the 3 lines, if the 3 lines show resistance, then the next meaningful direction is lower. And I should have pointed out that the red line, this line here, which is now being back tested, is a line that gave us the break of that level. We have uniform activity above the line and back below it. Keep in mind, it also coincided with moving below RSI 50 during this period, and we have a sizable drop. We have a back test of the red line here that fails, also coincides with movement below RSI 50 for this sizable drop, and now we are in the same area of potential resistance and movement below RSI 50. Now, that is the bearish case, but we have to respect the market, since the market is free to do whatever it wants. We know that movement above the red line by itself is an indication of a market that wants to go higher, and moving above the 3 lines would also be positive and bullish. So there you have it. That is the look. This is the market. As long as we are showing weekly resistance, chances are the next meaningful direction is lower, unless we get a breakout as discussed here. Eric Mother with Mother.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. ESS.